Are you tired of financial jargon and complex investment strategies? Would you prefer a simpler strategy for growing your wealth over the long term? If so, you're in the right place. In this video, I explain in simple terms one of the most powerful investment tools available, the index fund. Imagine a basket of fruits. An index fund is like that, but instead of being filled with fruits, it's filled with stocks or bonds, and it tracks a specific market index, like the S&P 500. An index fund simply aims to match the performance of that index. It's a passive investment strategy that doesn't try to beat the market, but rather to follow it. Index funds offer several built-in benefits. Lower risk. By investing in a very wide range of stocks or bonds, you're spreading your risk. It's the opposite of putting all your eggs in one basket. Lower costs. Index funds have lower fees compared to actively managed funds, the ones where they have a fund manager trying to outperform in the market instead of match it. This means more of your money works for you. Lower taxes. Since index funds don't trade so often, you'll likely pay less in capital gains taxes along the way. Let's break down how index funds work. When you invest in an index fund, you're buying a tiny piece of every company in that index. As those companies grow and their stock prices rise, so does the value of your investment. Now let's compare index funds to picking individual stocks. Index funds, diversified, lower costs, and lower risk. Individual stocks, higher potential returns, but also higher risk. While individual stocks can be lucrative, they require a lot of research, time, and expertise. Index funds offer a simpler, more efficient way to invest. You know what's even better than owning an index fund? Owning a diversified portfolio of many different index funds. That way you're diversified not only among one market, say S&P 500 large cap US stocks, but among many different markets, large cap versus small cap, US versus international, stock versus bonds, etc. As a financial advisor, I've been helping clients for over 30 years to manage their investments and work toward their long-term financial goals. Here's our contact information. Reach out if you'd like some help. For more on investing and retirement planning, watch these videos next.